Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you all my Amazon makeup haul. So first of all, let me tell you that I have listened complaints from people saying that Amazon delivers fake products. They're either broken, damaged or copied products. First of all, there are different sellers that sell the same product, so you can always check the ratings, the reviews, the feedback from the people, what is the quality of the product that they have received, and then you can purchase them. So I have received the one product that I'm gonna show you, जिसका वो सेम प्रोडक्ट नहीं था जो मैंने ऑर्डर करा था, बट इट वॉज ऑफ द सेम कैटेगरी, बट उसका जो टाइप था वो थोड़ा अलग था. So that's one thing that happened to me. Other than this, it has never happened to me that मुझे कोई damaged या fake product मिला हो. That was a little disclaimer that I wanted to tell you. So now let's get to the haul. So I've segregated them into different categories. So let's start by skincare. So the first product that I have for skincare is Pond's Super Light Gel. It is their oil-free moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. So this is how it looks like. Very smooth and liquidy texture. The skin looks hydrated and moisturized after applying a generous amount of this gel. And the fact that it has hyaluronic acid, it leaves your skin very shiny and luminous. This comes in different variants, like this variant is of 250 ml and this is priced at 300 rupees, but the price that I paid for this was 170 rupees, and the prices keep on fluctuating. Like I saw today that it was priced at 209 after discount, so you can always get reasonable and inexpensive products at discount from Amazon. Now I have two serums for face, like one is the face serum and another one is the under eye serum. They both are by the same company called NY Bay. So earlier I was telling you that I received a different type of product from the same brand, from the same category. So I ordered the face serum with hyaluronic acid and they gave me face serum with vitamin C and vitamin B3. So I'm not complaining, it works as good as that. It is originally priced at 175 rupees and the price that I paid for this is 152 rupees. Okay, just now I checked, it is right now priced at 144 rupees. So you never know that how much discount you get. Now the quality of the product, it is very good. It gives the same glow, the amount of shine, and it absorbs in the skin and gives you that inner glow. So the next is the under eye serum from the same brand. It is the under eye serum with hyaluronic acid. It was priced at again 175 rupees and I paid 166 rupees, and right now it is at 120 rupees. Okay, so like the prices keep on fluctuating. There is no like specific price or discount that they provide. So before applying my concealer or setting powder under my eyes, I like to apply any under eye serum because it gives a very nice and glowy base to work on. You can tell by the amount left in the bottle that how much I love this product. It has only this much amount left. Even if I'm not applying any makeup, I like to use these two products on my face and they literally absorbs in my skin so well. So the next category is the primer. So I have purchased one primer before. It was the Blue Heavens primer. मुझे इतना पसंद नहीं आया. मेरे pores हैं बहुत सारे, but it did not end up filling my pores. Therefore I purchased another primer. It is by the same brand, NY Bay. It is their blurring primer that minimizes pores, blends like a dream, and hydrating in nature. These are the characteristics of the primer that they have written on the packaging. I know the size of the product is very small, but on the contrary, the quality of the primer is very good. It is originally priced at 190 rupees. So I purchased it at 152 rupees. Like it makes my skin so smooth, so hydrating that it says. Of course, it is a silicone based primer, and trust me guys, it fills up my pores like a dream. So if you're looking for a good quality primer and with a reasonable discount, then you should definitely get your hands on this one. Okay, so next product is a set of 4 beauty blenders. So these are those beauty blenders. I'll show you one by one. So this is like a normal egg-shaped beauty blender. Second one is this. I use this for baking under my eyes. Third one is pointed from the top, so you can apply a concealer with this, and with the bottom one you can apply a foundation. They are originally priced at 238 rupees, and the price that I paid for them is 138 rupees. I checked the price right now and it is retailed at 89 rupees. Like, what do you even expect from 89 rupees? You get 4 beauty blenders. The quality is awesome, they are super soft, there is no damage. That's an incredible deal. So the next up is the NY Base Spotless Concealer. I have pigmentation around my mouth, and to cover my under eye dark circles, I always use an orange lipstick, but this time I purchased a concealer instead of a lip crayon or lipstick. This is the NY Base Spotless Concealer in the shade Orange Brenzel. At first, when you'll open the concealer, it would look like an neon orange shade, but when you start blending it out, it becomes more burnt orange. So it is originally priced at 195 rupees and I got this at 156 rupees. Also, I'm gonna put the links in my description box of these products in case you wanna check them out. So the next product is the Maybelline's Colossal Liner. I always used the Lakme's Insta Liner. It was my holy grail product. I always used that, but I wanted to try a sketch liner and I heard such good reviews about this liner, so I purchased this one. Only problem I have with this is when you draw the liner above the lids, it is all well and good, but as soon as you start drawing the wing, the tip kind of bends and it ruins the liner. So that is the only complaint that I have. Other than this, it is waterproof, it is smudge proof, and it is jet black. So the price I paid for this was 274 rupees, and the original price of this is 420 rupees. So yeah, again you get this product at very good discount. In the eye category, I already showed you the sketch liner. Now I have two more products for your eyelashes. So the first one is a mascara by L'Oreal. It is the Lash Paradise mascara. This is my favorite mascara. I have used a number of mascaras, but this one has to be my favorite because it says that it is voluminous, but along with volume, it curls your lashes, it lengthens your lashes. Of course, it gives you don't have to curl your lashes before applying this mascara because it curls your lashes as well. Like, I'm not lying, this is the best mascara that I have used till date. Of course, it is priced at 799 rupees, and on other online stores you get them at 599 or 519, but the price that I paid for this was 509, and I checked right now, it is priced at 479 rupees. I am a big fan of the packaging. It is a rose gold packaging. So let me quickly tell you how it looks like. The wand is like this. Okay, so it is said to be the dupe for Too Faced mascara, and I think that this could be a dupe because I have not used the Too Faced mascara, but by using this I can totally tell that this could be a dupe for that because the quality is so good and it seems as if you are using a high-end mascara. The wand of the mascara is so soft, and since there are so many bristles on the wand, it easily gives your lashes perfect volume and it seems as if you have applied falsies. So this is the best mascara that I have used till date. So the second product that I have for eyelashes is a pack of 3 lashes. So I've never used lashes before and therefore I don't know what type of lashes should I purchase. So I saw Mridul Sharma's video, and in that she was telling about these lashes. Is the Salilus Fox Mink Eyelash Multi Pack. This is how the packet looks like. There are a set of 3 lashes. Actually, they come in 3 different categories. Like, this is the basic one. If you want natural looking false lashes, you can go for this one. And there were 2 more. One was like heavy lashes, and there was another category which I don't remember. Also, they come with lash glue, which is awesome. So they are priced at 624 rupees, and I got them for 325 rupees. Okay, so whenever I've checked, neither they are priced below 325 nor they are priced above 325. So I think that's the maximum discount that you get. So it says that easy to apply, lightweight and reusable, and I have applied this, although I got a little problem applying that because I've never used them before. But if you know how to apply lashes, or you don't want to invest so much in lashes, you can go for this. This is a very good option, and the glue is fantastic. Okay, so that was all that I had for you for the Amazon haul. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also tell me in the comments which type of or which kind of videos you wanna see on this channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.